I think one of the other sort of key areas of persuasive communication is hedging. Do you know what I mean by hedging?
Yeah, like softening phrases, something to make something not quite so concrete, a little bit, easier, flexible, softer.
Yeah. I mean, one simple word, the word perhaps.
Yeah, perhaps. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it softens everything. You can make a really bold statement, but when you include the word perhaps, it just makes it so much more softer and inviting, I think.
I'll give you another example, which is hedging, but in a more conversational way. It's the way we've covered this before, it's the way British people use just. Can I get a pen? Can I just get a pen? Can I get an answer on that? Can I just get an answer on that? If you add just makes it a little bit softer, a little bit more friendly, a little bit more fluffy, furry.
Yeah, it does. It's more persuasive, and that's one of the hallmarks of advanced communication using the English language.